Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix HP Hotkey support blank pop-up in Windows 10 and 11. First things first, navigate to the Services application on your Windows system. You can do this by typing Services in the Windows search bar and selecting the Services app. In here, scroll through the list of services until you find HP Hotkey UWP service. Then just right-click on HP Hotkey UWP service and select Properties. In the Properties window, just locate the Startup type, drop-down menu, and choose Disabled from the options available. After that, you want to restart your computer to ensure that the changes take effect. Then, lastly, test the hotkeys to verify if they are working as expected. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.